Hey guys, if you guys want to factory reset your Starlink router, this is how to do it. So we're gonna go on. Uh, this is the app. Just turn it on, open it up, scroll down, go into settings. Your settings for your router is exactly here. For Starlink is over here. So just tap on the first option. Scroll all the way down. You guys will see factory reset. Tap on it. From here, slide to factory reset. So what will this do? Factory reset will clear your Wi-Fi network name, password, and other settings. This will interrupt your service until you set it up again. So that means exactly that. You will have to do the whole setup again once you factory reset, which is most likely what you guys want to do. Unless you're trying to fix an issue, then you might have to do this. For most of you, not really. What you guys may want to do is just reboot it. So to reboot it, that's our third option down here below. That means it's just going to turn it off and on, and there you go. So, but I get it. If you guys need to sell this or something, then go ahead and factory reset like this. Just slide it through. It's just going to do the reset, and then you're going to be done. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.